Okay guys, today I have to show you something about simple power supply without any transformers. I use only capacitor and a resistor. This diode for rectify the supply, and this is smoothing capacitor. I use for this circuit 220 AC input and 50 Hz supply to get DC output. My request, my, my required voltage is 5 and required current 20 milliampere. I have been written a circuit for you with some components, 1 2 3 4 components. This is the input supply 220 voltage and 50 Hz AC, and output 5 volt DC 20 milliampere. I didn't draw the smoothing capacitor. If you want to smooth the supply, you can draw and you can add here. The first step, calculation. We have to find the reactance of the circuit. It's equal to R equal to XC, capacitive reactance. This is the supply voltage and this is my required DC voltage, and this is the required current in ampere. This is the milliampere divided by 1000, and I get 0.02 ampere. First 225 volts subtract from 220 voltage and divided by 0.02 ampere. After we get 10,750 ohms in this calculation. This is the value of XC. XC means capacitive reactance. Now, second step, we can add that capacitive reactance for this famous equation. Xc equal to 1 over 25 Fc. C is this C1 I taken to here, and we take out C1 from this equation and rearrange the equation as follows: 1 over 25 F Xc. Xc is capacitive reactance. Adding those values to this equation, 2, this is the value of 5, 3.1416, and this is the frequency F I taken from the supply 50 Hz, and this is the capacitive reactance I calculated here. This is the value. After simplifying this equation, we get C1 in farad, 2.961 10 to the power minus 7 farad. We should have to convert this value into microfarad. Hence I multiply 10 to the power 6. Then we get C1 0.0296 microfarad. Okay, this is the value we required capacitor. This is the C1 value. Now 95% completed this circuit. Usually we have to calculate full circuit impedance because uh, my required current is 20 milliampere, but I cannot get that milliampere range in from this circuit because I series the resistor to the capacitor for protect this diode by overcurrent. This is the current limiter. Hence I calculated the circuit impedance to verify the equation. Z is the impedance of the circuit, square root R series square plus XC square. Then RS value is 280 ohms. It is 280 ohms, and XC value is this 10750 ohms. After simplifying the equation, we get 10757 ohms. Before we get the value 10750, and with series resistor, after we get 10757. Now we have to calculate actual current from the circuit. 5 volts subtract by 220 volt. This is my required voltage as given, and this is the Z value 10757 I get from the Z equation. After simplifying the equation, we get the answer 19.99 milliampere. It is less than my required milliampere range, but this is okay to use. This is normally it happens. My next video I will explain the resistors here and how to calculate the smoothing filter. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe and get more updates. Thank you.